channel. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Seetu and I make a lot of videos on this channel, so it would really mean a lot if you would take a moment and subscribe. Number one thing which I want you guys to know is that it is the best major if you are a reader. If you are into reading, you are definitely going to enjoy English as your major, because a large part of your degree is going to be reading. So take it if you are a reader, because a lot of non-readers take English and they have a terrible time. So if you are a reader, English is the major for you, my friend. And the most important thing which I want to tell you is that do not expect a English literature or language degree to be anything like your CBSE or ICSE ka 11th 12th ka English, or if you take it as a lot of people take it because they get highest marks in English in 12th boards, so they take English as their major, which is the most pathetic excuse to do it. Please do not do it, and you are just going to get shocked. A lot of my classmates also kind of were shocked to see what actual degree looked like, so do not do that. Also, a lot of people get confused. In India, English literature degree is known as BA English Honors, and then there is a normal BA degree which is simple Bachelor in Arts. So a lot of people think that BA English Honors is Bachelor in Arts whose medium is going to be English. No. BA is a separate degree and BA English Honors is a degree of arts with your major as English. So they are two separate degrees, don't get confused. The thing which I want to clarify is that if you take English as your major and you do a humanities degree, there is no job guarantee at the end. You will not get any job on the basis of your degree, and if you do, you have to kind of have your own skill set and own ways to get into it, and a degree cannot guarantee it, so it is a big risk. But at the same time, there are a lot of job opportunities if you explore, but if it is still a humanities degree at the end and not a professional degree, like for example a science or a tech degree. So you kind of have to know that beforehand and know your priorities, what are your priorities in life, and then decide your major. Coming to the few questions I was asked. Number one, that do English literature students read only classics? No, it is not at all true. We read all kind of stuff, and some students read nothing. They just read summaries and get passed through the examinations. So yeah, that kind of people also exist. So one of my followers asked me that she is in school and a lot of people around her told her that reading is a waste of time. I don't know who are these people. Girl, if you read, it's good for you. It's going to shape your personality, make your life much better, and going to help you when all your friends and whoever you have a crush on dumps you, ditches you. Books are going to have your back. They're going to make your career, make your life much better. Who are these people? Just don't listen to them. What are the job opportunities? So if you want a degree just for a degree's sake, this is the degree for you, because it is the freaking best degree in the world. Second, you can get into teaching, get into academics, get your PhD and become a professor. You can get into publishing, copywriting, editing. You can be a content creator, means a professional content creators who has a job of creating content for other companies. You can go and get your law degree. If you're getting into entrance exams, then this is also a very good degree for you. So there are a lot of job options. You just have to explore. First things first, you are going to read and write a lot, and obviously I am telling this, it's not like I read everything which my professors told me, but ideally I was supposed to do so. I did not. That's another different chapter of my life which I definitely don't want to get into right now. But yes, there is going to be a lot of reading and writing, my friends, and if you're not into that, then maybe this is not for you. But if you're into that, then this is definitely. If you probably scroll Instagram watch movies, or are into dark academia aesthetics, you might romanticize an English literature degree. Or if you think that our life is anything like this, so this movie may have changed some people's perception and they look at English literature in a different way. But let me tell you, it is nothing like this. We don't have teachers who talk about emotional aspects of a particular text. We have never ever discussed the emotional side of a text in our classroom. We don't do that. It does not happen in real life. Although I would just really want to say you, whether you have English as your major or not, please imagine yourself as the central and the main character of your life, and then the most mundane and boring things will turn into interesting, and only you can fill your life with beauty if you try. So yeah, this got a little off topic, but I just wanted to say. Now let's get back to business, folks. As much as I wished it was, it is not. It is not like that. Sadly, it is not. I wish it was, but it is not. Another major important point, if when you take a degree in literature, it does not mean that you will study only literature. We study history. History is a large part of getting a literature degree. We study economics, we study computer science, we study political science, and a lot of other subjects. And also, just we study a lot of other branches which are associated with literature, and that's how we are able to analyze and criticize a particular text. So just don't think that we are just going to read stories and novels simply. No, it is not like that. It is not at all like that, and it is very typical. So just I want you to understand that. Thing is that getting passing marks in a BA honors degree is very easy. So if you are like someone जिसको कुछ और करना है लाइफ में बट एक डिग्री के लिए डिग्री लेनी है, you can get into literature if you even have a slight interest, because Spark Notes and Lit Charts, there are so many websites, you can just read it and give your exam and get passed, and बहुत easy हो जाएगा rather than getting into a physics degree जहाँ पे ऐसे आप नहीं कर सकते. But on the other hand, acing the degree is a fucking task. It's easy if you don't care, but if you care, then it is not at all easy. And do it only if you care, because I think it's just sad getting into a degree and not giving a fuck, because literature is just so fluid. And if you actually start taking interest and imagine yourself as a dark academia person and start reading novels, then the whole vibe changes. So one thing which we study when we get into college for our first semester is history of British literature, and we also for the different semesters we read British literature, Indian literature, Canadian literature, American literature, post-colonial literature, and Shakespeare, introduction to theatre. Then we have that language section where we read linguistics, semantics, and language and society, a lot of different subjects, communicative English. And communicative English was like crap, but still we did study it. So there are a lot of subjects, a lot of literature, we get deep into it, and every time we study the literature of a particular continent or a country, we first have to read the history to get the context right and to know in what time period a particular author was writing, because I think that is even more important than actually knowing the text. Because if you have read a text and you don't know the freaking entire history, it is useless for you as a lit major. After reading all the literature, the two major subjects are literary theory and criticism, where we actually read theorists like Karl Marx, like popular ones, or a lot of theories from different schools like psychoanalysis, feminism, Marxism, new criticism, and a lot of other theorists, and we study their theories and criticism which we use to analyze text. As a literature student, we are very aware of the mishappenings and the oppressed section of the society, and we read text and criticize them from the point of view of a person who knows that who is oppressed and who is a dominant, and we know it. Now as a lit student, I am very woke, and I know what bad is in the society, and we kind of have a bigger picture of that, because we almost turn into mini critics who know how to analyze and look at a particular text. A normal person may look at Shakespeare in a very different way, whereas a literature student will never look at Shakespeare the way normal people do. So we do have that kind of study. We do have a proper understanding. PBLs every semester. PBL is project based learning, where we kind of analyze and take a particular topic and write our own original work on that. So a lot of my friends did was, even I read a female analysis of Draupadi, where we study was Draupadi a feminist, or what are the feminist elements in her character, how she was suppressed by a patriarchal society. So we study all that in detail, and I hope this gives you a overall gist of what it looks like. It is still very brief, and the work is in so much detail, so I hope you get a basic idea. I would say that if you are into reading, then literature is the best major for you, and it is definitely worth giving a try. And I know college degrees are not a try, but a lot of people are confused and they just get into BTech. So this is also an option to consider, and coming from a person who is almost stepping into the last semester of her college, and among all the trash decisions that I took which almost ruined my life, this is the best one, and I wouldn't exchange it for anything. And I still feel proud of myself that I took this decision for myself, and I am so happy and sad. And I can't even tell you guys that having this as my major has always given me a feeling that I am doing what I love, and it has filled the dopamine void in my life a lot. So I hope that this video helped you in getting your doubts clarified. If you have any other questions, put it in the comments. Also, the video that was originally I was going to make is what I read as a literature major, but then I decided to give on the basics first. So if you still want that video, then please comment down below, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot, and press the bell button so whenever I post, you get a notification from my side. So now I will say bye bye, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep reading.